Good morning, everyone. This is Med City CPA, and here I am to walk through an easy Vlookup example. Here we have column A, column B. Let's just put in some numbers right now. 5, and let's put in some descriptions. And here we go. Cranberries, I don't know, books, bread, and to put together a Vlookup, you do Vlookup, and we want to look up, let's see, what is the code for oranges, or what is the item for code 2. There we go, and now let's select a column, and we want to bring back column number 2, and false. Okay, and so what it's doing, it's saying for code number 2, look in the second column of this table and bring back the exact amount. Hit enter, boom, orange. Now we try it again. We look at, let's look at, oops, there's the wrong one. Let's say instead of code 2, let's look at code 4 and enter books. And there we go.